What's up, guys? So I have a leak in fridge, a lot of water. In my situation, when I use the water, right now I got it off. When you use it, it comes out very slow, not as strong as it used to be. It comes very weak, and you will get a lot of water over here after using the water. So if that's your situation, this is what you could do. You see the water on the floor, take off the cord of the fridge. If you want, you could shut off the water to your fridge. So what I did is, you come to your fridge, you pick that one up, see, this clear basket will come undone. After that, you're gonna have this water, this piece, you're gonna knock it out on the bottom, but you're gonna knock it out very hard. It's tough. If you have like a wooden something or a rubber hammer, you could knock it off. Knock off this piece. Right now I got it loose. It's gonna come up like this in the back. You're gonna end up with this. You're gonna have one screw over here. You could unscrew it. And this whole piece gonna come out, and this is my problem. So in my situation, I turned the electricity back on. I try to dispense water, but you know this thing, it doesn't work until you close both doors. So what I did is I hang my phone over here, looking toward this whole mess, so you could close your door and put your phone inside, turn the power back on, and dispense water. So I'll show you a video later on how I did it, but my problem was from this fitting right here. You're gonna see there it has like line. This is one line showing, this is one line showing. If you see two lines, that means it's pushed out. See, this one has one line, I mean this black line. So what happened is, if you want to remove it, this is a safety clip. You remove this safety clip, you simply push it out, and then you're gonna push on this piece right here, which is the gray piece. You push in and you pull the wire, and you pull it out. See how we got two lines? Because I messed with it, you can't see the lines anymore, but it has two of them. One, two. You're not supposed to see the first line should be inserted inside. So the way to do it is, you're gonna push. This is push to lock. So you're gonna push. Sorry, I don't have a mount. So you're gonna push. See? I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep pushing. So you wanna push until you see only one line, which is right here. Now you could put, this is a safety clip so it doesn't come undone. Put it back on. And that's it. Hope that fixed your problem. So it used to leak water from here. When I dispense water, it rushes out of here because this line was not push connect all the way in. You could do the same thing with this one, with this one, with that one, and with this one. So your problem could be anywhere from those four: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connection. And if you have the situation, dry everything, disconnect these connectors, dry them from the inside, and then turn the power back on and test it. But that was my problem over here. Thanks guys.